38. Ignore this value. So obtain the other two zeros of the polynomial px and which is given polynomial, and the two of its zeros are under root 5 and minus under root 5. And there is the optional question: what minimum must be added to this polynomial so that the resulting polynomial will be divided by this small polynomial? Okay. So the first question will be, the polynomial given is this: 2x की power 4 minus x cube minus 11x square plus 5x plus 5, and the given zeros are under root 5 and minus under root 5. X is equal to under root 5 and x is equal to minus under root 5. So that we take this x is equal to these two zeros because we need to find a factor of polynomial. So when we divide the polynomial by this factor, we can find the other polynomial. So we have to find the, because we need to find the other zero. So x minus under root 5, and when we multiply these two values, we got this x square minus 5 is a factor. So when we divide this whole polynomial with the this polynomial, we what we do is, first we try to make this value 0. 2x की power 4. We have to make this value 0. So we need to multiply into quotient. We have to take the value which is multiplied by this and make this value similar so that the result will be 0. So x square into 2x square is equal to x की power 4. So 2x की power 4 and minus 5 into 2x square is equal to minus 10x square. And when we take this value, we change this operator sign. Here it is plus and here it is minus. So it becomes negative and it becomes positive. It becomes negative. 2x power 4, this becomes negative and this becomes positive. So when we solve this 2x power 4 minus 2x power 4, which is 0. So and for this, the value is minus 11x square plus 10x square is equal to minus x square. And we take the remaining value of the polynomial as it is, minus x cube plus 5x plus 5. So for next we take the value similar, we take minus x. So minus x into x square is equal to minus x cube, because when we change the value it becomes positive and it got cancelled out and it becomes 0. And for minus 5 into x minus x, it becomes positive x. So it takes minus 1. So the remainder will be minus x square plus 5, minus x square plus 5. So when we multiply this with the minus 1, the value comes with the same minus x square plus 5 as it is. And when we change the operator, this becomes positive and this becomes negative. These values got cancelled out, this cancel out, this cancel out, and it becomes 0. So this is the polynomial. We get 2x power 4 x square, so 2x square minus x minus 1. So let's see. So this 2x square minus x minus 1 is in the factor. So for finding the solution, what we do here, we can add plus x and minus x, which is basically 0. So it does not affect. We can add anything and we can subtract the same value in any polynomial, because to find the solution we need to find the other two zeros to solve this quadratic equation. So 2x square and minus x is 2x and plus x is as it is and minus 1. So when we take 2x common in first two values, it remains x minus 1, and we take plus 1 common in the last two values, so it becomes x minus 1. So x minus 1 and x minus 1 is the common, so we got x minus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2 and x is equal to 1. These are the other two zeros we need to find. So for other, we have this polynomial and we have to find the what value will be. We have to find the value so that this is divided by this polynomial. And we divide this x cube minus 4x plus 8 with 2x cube minus 3x cube plus 6x plus 7 we'll get 0. So what we do is to say x square multiply by 2x so that the value will remain same 2x cube. So we cancel out and let me erase everything so that you can see clear. Okay, so the 2x into x square will be 2x cube. So the operator will say that it become minus and it got cancelled out. For other minus 4x into 2x is minus 8x square and 8 into 2 is equal to 16x. So this becomes positive and this becomes negative because these are the operators and before changing the value. So it becomes 5x square minus 10x plus 7. Next we need to find the value so that the first value becomes 0. So if we multiply by 5 with the x square we get 5x square and for minus 4x into 5 is equals to 20x and plus 8 into 5 is equals to 40. So this is the value we left with. So this will get cancelled out and plus 20x minus 10x is equal to 10x and 4 plus minus 40 plus 7 is equals to minus 30. So this has to be added in the equation so that the this will when we divide this whole polynomial with the x square minus 4x plus 8 we get the remainder 0. So always remember that when we find out the values that can add, so we need to add the value which is we have to change the operator sign because we are always taking the different operator. We have here positive, so we take negative so that it cancel out. Same here, when what is the solve, we take the positive value, so we take negative value here, and plus minus 33, we have to take the plus 33.